Okay, so let's get started. Our meeting recording time is on. Uh,
Great. So
Everything
I
is
will
okay.
be wait. No, 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 no offense, because I got a lot of information and need time to understand everything what you explain me.
Yeah,
So you sent me these records when immediately after.
you can give me your WhatsApp number, as I will have
Sorry.
said. You can give me your WhatsApp number, WhatsApp, and just
Mm-hmm.
mention login successfully, and so I will enter it in this your cPanel server. Okay, so thank you. And this time, I just waited, make a file change. So this is called file manager, and I go to this file manager.
Mm-hmm.
If you need any kinds of changes, you don't need to this in this section, but also you need customizations or any changes. This others way. So I wanna just let me later. I'll see you later. Just I wanna review this cPanel site, and
Oh my God.
this is your
Mm-hmm.
file manager. Okay, and all the file of your website, all the
Mm-hmm.
documents of your website. And I'm really this project I wanna hard work for your project, and start by working like 3 days. It's a non-stop working. Okay, just am I right? Just T shops, Thai shops slash WP admin, and I wanna copy the link, and I wanna paste the Google Meet chat box. This is called chat box, and here wanna see. This is your website entire project. So how you enter in your WordPress admin panel, that is the way your website URL name and slash WP admin. All right, so at this time, then I wanna go to your website, and here is a tryshowshops.com slash WP admin. Just I wanna enter, and so I wanna just click enter and need a username and password. And this is the called boom dashboard of your website. This is the cool dashboard, and you wanna see the output, and see the Thai shoes shops, and visit your site. Just open a new tab, and let's see. This is your final output of your website. This is the cool design and content, all the content of you, and some content are double because of this the need to this design combinations and color combinations. Okay, and the design is available. So you like need to any changes of your website, like any content you want to change. So actually how you will change the content. Right now I'm gonna show how you can change your content or design combinations or color combinations, anything. Of course I will with your
Mm-hmm.
site. I will be your site as a helping hand here, helping hand. All right. So at this time, just I need to this change piece of product. It's a called content. Actually, you need to this like different content like boom and cool product. All right. It's a called piece of product. So actually, how you can customize? Just click the edit with Elementor. Here it is. You wanna see edit with Elementor. Let's see edit with
Mm-hmm.
Elementor. Just click here
Yes.
edit with Elementor. Just click here. Please, if you don't understand, if you don't try to change, you if you need any kinds of changes, like knock me anytime any moment. Of course I'll help you. I'm committed i'm committed all
Okay.
right.
Thank you.
So
Mm-hmm.
don't
All
worry.
right.
So already I just click this edit with Elementor, and just open this page. Here is featured image. Just you want to change this title, featured image you want to change. Just click the fan icon. Is it called fan icon? And is it called content? Here it is. It's a left side. Here
Mm-hmm.
it is. Just I want to change this pizza. Is exchange pizza access to like boom and cool.
Mm-hmm.
Boom and cool. All right. And here we see.
Mm-hmm.
Here is boom and cool. Right. And simple click update. Simple click update. That's it. And you want to show your website. Just click your visit site, and let's see. And let's wait few seconds. And come on, here it is, boom and cool products. All right, then
Mm-hmm.
I'm just customize in this sections header. All right, and how we can upload this product. Okay, how you can upload or how you can customize this product, how you can maintain like a select option. Just click here, any customer, just click this product, and share it.
Mm-hmm.
And like it shows by sale in this website, and all the functional systems, it is sizes mediums. Okay, and all the
Mm-hmm.
sizes are called variation, that is called variations. And the time, just any customer by buying one or two product, let's say two, and I'll just
Mm-hmm.
increase this product size and just add to cart. Just click add to cart and then process.
Mm-hmm.
Add to cart and then time. Here it is. How many? Overall, next click scroll down and now scroll down and let's see lots of related product. Okay, and then time. Just additional information. This product
One
weight.
question.
Yeah, sure.
Tell me please, add to cart. It's customers should be do that immediately, or maybe need first save this model and continue
Yeah,
choose
of course,
another
very good,
product.
very good. Of course, any customer save this product. That is the way. Already, I just built this program and
We
here
add
is
to
add to
visions. Yeah, I
wishes.
see.
Yeah.
Sorry,
So just
I
click here
didn't not
and
pay
solve the
attention.
product is
That.
okay. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Are you
Mm-hmm.
happy? Okay. So for
Mm-hmm.
all all the requirement I have created, all the system is functional process, everything I have been done. Okay. As any
Mm-hmm.
customer, just click continue shopping. Okay. Just click here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, and here it is. It's,
Okay.
it's totally is called wish list and this cart list. Just click here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and checkout process. If any customer to check out and first need to this your payment information. Okay, where deposit this project prices or value, where transfer in this money in this product. All right, so like checkout, just click the checkout. Okay, these are called checkout pages, and
Mm-hmm.
need to this
Mm-hmm.
all the customer billing information. All right, address, and
Mm-hmm.
it's nothing below. That's why alert box is called red. Right, all the information is. So at this moment you have need to this payment option. How your customer payment in this product? How way? So just you need just you add the way. Just you can give me this all the information. So of course I wanna add this all the payment gateway or payment information,
Mm-hmm.
like Payoneer or PayPal or any other bank informations on any mobile banking information.
Mm-hmm.
Like you
Mm-hmm.
went, of course I wanna add all the information. As any customer buying this product and of course deliver this all the prices, this amount on your bank account or any banking information account. All right, and place order. It's absolutely fine.
Right.
All right, and the time. Next step, like that. Uh, how you went to like I wanna go to this home page and this will call your logo. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
just scroll down, and here is a some blog, like how many products
Mm-hmm.
are you available on your hand, and so this product is really good or not. Okay, and you explain this product. Okay, and so how many people using these shows or something else. What is the uh, efficiency in this product or anything. All right, so any customer
Mm-hmm.
like to read this post and just click this section, so just right button. I'm not just open a new tab. Okay, so you wanna see this is called
Mm-hmm.
product. Okay, these are called blog. Okay, all the blogging process in this product. So you want to in future you want to start a affiliate marketing business or anything else. You want to start a already you want to start a e-commerce business, or you want to like that multi-vendor e-commerce process in your website. Of course I want to
Mm-hmm.
help you and always help you, so don't worry. Okay,
Okay, thanks. Mm-hmm.
and your some related posters already I'm created some lots of posters on your website. All the posters like there is around 4 posters and already created some others 24 posters, and you want to so here is a lots of posters. Absolutely fine, right? I wanna store a new product like a new posters. Already I'm ready. Already I was ready in this all the posters category on your website. The related posters. So like register this post. Okay, just you want to register this post and you want to do all posters. And previously 4 posters available and this one is just like that. Here it is. And just view these posters. Just open a new tab and here it is. Okay, and here it is. Okay, sorry, this is not. And here it is. These are called other ones and this one. All right, and this one. Okay, so you want to change customize everything. So how you can customize this photo? Okay, I hope you just have a question as to how I can understand how can I customize this blog post or anything else, right? So you need
Mm-hmm.
to just go to preset, just go to post and you just customize this, edit option. Just click right buttons and all the option I just created in your site. Okay, and all the subject are functional. Just click this open in new tab and just open in the face. Just wait few seconds. Okay, and here it is. All the posters is called posters name. I mean, this is called is show's name or posters name, and this is called picture. Just you gonna replace or remove. Just gonna remove this picture and add a new other image. This is all the images I can use your website. It's around 78 media on is stored on your website. It's totally copyright free. Totally copyright free. So don't worry, madam. I've gonna create it. And see, I really work with you because of that. I really much satisfaction for you. And see, you don't know you basically you don't know much better in this web design development sector. And I think me and you what's relationship in lifetime. All right, and then time I wanna change this
Ex-
image. Here it is. I wanna change. Okay, unlike
Okay.
here it is. Here is the difference. This is the first one, previous image, and I just add a new image. Okay, just select one
Okay, yeah.
and just add a featured image. Cool. And this time uploading right now and just published. All right, and then time. Just I wanna go to this website. Okay, this is called Pissart and just open a view, just view, and see show. This is called replacement image, and here it is.
Mhm.
Hopefully you can understand. That is the way you can customize everything. You can. You can't try. If you can't, but you can telling me. Of course I will help you. All right. Of course I will help you.
All
So
right.
okay.
Most likely when I can use uh, work everything that after when I work everything, I will be professional like you, like freelancer.
Yeah. You can use WhatsApp.
Yes, okay. I
Just
give
give me
you.
this WhatsApp number in the chat box. Meet chat box.
Uh-huh.
It's a right
Okay.
click. Just see messaging icon. Message icon. Let's see. Where is a message icon?
No, I don't know what is it, Mrs. Aiko.
Let's see. They call a message icon. All right.
All right.
And you just click this message icon and drop your WhatsApp number and just enter. And through WhatsApp number, I'll get it. Okay. And all the informations and just decisions or meeting recorded and delivery WhatsApp it. All right.
Right.
Or you went to others personal informations you can share freelancer chat box. Because of that freelancer authority is really rules is strict, no information share. Okay, that's
Mm-hmm.
why at this time this marking this Google Meet link. And I'm really happy you and I will understand my space how you can join with us. Okay, so you just or send my WhatsApp number. You can just save this my number. Mr. Shobuz just drop this WhatsApp number in the chat box. Shobuz সাহেব WhatsApp numberটা chat box দিয়ে দেন. Oh, I'm talking others my brother.
You speak very faster and I don't understand.
Okay. So basically I'm not telling you that. Just your WhatsApp number you can give me in this chat box. Or
Oh, I see. So I
already I
can
sent.
found you in
Yeah.
this number.
Yeah. You just copy this number and paste
Mm-hmm.
your any information or before you don't get this number because this Google Meet link just in the meeting and you didn't this number. Okay, get in this number. So that's why you might be copy the my WhatsApp number and you just message me hi or hello and so I'll give you the today's
Mm-hmm.
session recorded video. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
We'll be trying.
So
Thank you.
first of all, I'm really excited. I'm very excited, very excited,
Oh,
and
me too.
very much happy, because you can be trust me. You just trust me, and I think it's a really pleasure to you, really pleasure,
Okay.
and
Thank
really
you.
honor to you, really honor to you, and that's why I'm not telling you. If you need any kinds of help, if you need any kinds of help, web design development area or your
Mm-hmm.
website or your friends family or others just need any
Okay.
kinds of web design development service or help, of course I will help you. Of course, I will help you.
Okay, thank
And
you. Yeah.
I want to leave our relations, you and me. This relations is a long time, long time. All right.
Okay,
Uh,
good.
just you save this WhatsApp number on your mobile phone or computer,
Mm-hmm.
and just knock me hi or hello. Hi, this is
Okay, okay.
okay.
I
This is
send you
Hajar or
hello. Yeah.
something. Okay, and this is Shobuj.
Yeah.
All right, this is Shobuj. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so you just I want a request. I have one request, a single request. Like that. Need a review of the freelancer because I have completed your project, right? And I hope I want to make you happy. I want to really make you happy. Yes or no, ma'am? Are you happy?
Okay.
Just
Yes, I'm happy. I think.
okay.
Listen, I need just understand what I can do that, and I will be try. If help will be need me, I asked you. Uh, what kind of next step will be?
Next step, like that, you want to lots of sell the product on your website. Like you can call me messenger or WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just now I'm ready to help with you. No problem. Okay, just a
Okay.
request.
Yeah.
You
So
can. I think it's really much pleasure. I'm working with you, and thank you very much. Thank
thank
you
you.
very much. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.